Hey there folks, I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. This one is going to be a factory second shoes. I am obsessed as of late from Edmonds. This one is supposed to be, I hope, a Higgins mill boots with the Camo Midsole leather. Now, I just picked this up the other day. Edmonds, you know I'm really obsessed. It's not going to be shell cordovan, it's Chrome XL. So I'm going to unbox it, and I was watching this video on this kid that did an unboxing of factory second shoes from Edmonds, and it was hilarious because there was obvious defects on the boot. It got like 1 million views, so I thought it was hilarious. I thought I'll do the same thing in front of you guys, and I mean, if it's a shit show, we'll see. Oh, I'm hoping for the best. You guys know that I bought the shell cordovan dress shoes from Edmonds, and those were fucking awesome. So I was very pleased. But we'll check this out. I apologize if it's a little out of camera view, but it's very difficult to get it here in my light box. But I'll try to capture most of it in camera view, so it's kind of exciting. I'm hoping for the best. You can see factory seconds, right? So you can see already there's a damage on the box. God, I hope that's not a harbinger of the, well, we'll see. Let me just take it out. I'm gonna take the box out. All right, here it is, Edmonds factory second. So just before I open it up, so you know exactly what we're getting here. So I got the Higgins mill boot, again the Chrome XL leather with the camo, and we'll see it in a little bit. This was $219. Normally it goes for $395. So $219. I bought it 2 days ago. I went back to the website, and additionally they sent me an email advertising. You should sign up for that if you're a true nut for like shoes like Edmonds. They sent me an email saying that there was an additional 20% off the price on the factory second shoes, $219. So I called them up promptly. I told them I just bought it 2 days ago, and the young lady Madison was very nice because, you know, I'll add that to it. So she took 20% off. Total, well, the shoe price not including taxes and shipping. I think the shipping was free actually. It was, the shoes came to $175. Now, I know you guys are going to say $175 for second-hand, factory second shoes, Mike. What are you, nuts? Yeah, but they're Edmonds. You know, they're pretty high-end. So, the deal with factory seconds, before, I know I'm babbling, I will open it. I will. But the deal with factory second shoes is that Edmonds has like 212 steps in putting together these boots. And it's handmade. I should say, not handmade, but a lot of hands are put on it to put it together. Hand stitched, hand measured, the cork bed, everything, right? Put together by hand. They do use machines, but a lot of it has hands-on love going on there, for lack of a better word. And what it is sometimes mistakes happen. And when those mistakes happen, they don't want to sell it as a 100% first quality shoe from Edmonds. Thus, they have the factory seconds. I am on a budget, so I'm a little cheap. And I had a good experience. Hopefully this one is a good one too, right? So some of the things you might expect from factory second shoes, there might be light blemishes on the shoes, some minor defects, some scratches. We'll see. We'll see. All right, we're off. Here we go. You ready? Oh, please be nice. Please. All right. So if you get, I was promised a bag. I guess I didn't get that. Maybe that was just false advertising. But normally their shoes come in this beautiful bag, and this one, of course, comes in plastic. Factory second. I think I just got hard. So far. So good. So you can see, so there's some loose stitches already. You can see there's a dimple here, which will come with wear. And you can see, so there's some loose grain on the Chrome XL, which is some of the knock on Chrome XL that happens like that. But you know what? Not bad. Not bad. All right, we'll put that one down. That's awesome. Now, when I did get my factory second dress shoes, the Shell Cordovan, one was perfect. The other one was not so much perfect. So, there we go. Here we go. Throw that box out. Second pair. Looks like there's some dimpling here. Higgins Mill boots do come in this color and not in a dark outer sole like this. Okay, I did notice something. I'm looking at it. You can see it's a little uneven there, and you can see there's some knotting on the thread here, on the stitching, right? So what it is about Allen Edmonds, that's what I just see. I didn't even look at the other side yet. What it is about Allen Edmonds, right? It's totally, what's the word they use? Is it recraftable? Is that the word I'm looking for? Oh man, I think it's recraftable. What the hell is it called? Can't think of it right now, but I'm just looking at this beautiful thing. Anyway, you can send it. I think for Allen Edmonds, you can have them resole it, the outer sole, the everything inside. It's gonna be like 125 bucks, and they'll make things. They'll make it brand new, and you can even pick the different soles that you want. This is known as an all-weather Commando rubber lug outsole, right? With stacked leather heel. And looking at it on this side, and you can see there's some stitches there. I'm kind of digging this camo. It's like I'm like an urban badass with this thing. Wow. Wow. Kind of digging it, folks. Kind of digging it. Let me see. Oh, you know what? See now, it has the same dip there. So I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that. You can see the stitching is perfect on this one. Alright. So like I said, it is recraftable, and I believe that if I send this in, I can even choose the outsoles, what I want. So I can have, if I don't mind paying for it, the day-night, I could have, if I want to make this more like dressy, I could make it like leather outsole, right? I don't have to make it, I don't have to order it to be the same as this Commando rubber lug outsole. I can have it done any way I want. You're paying for it, a service, but this looks pretty super durable. All right, let's talk about it. So this is the again, this is the Higgins Mill boot with Chrome XL leather, and it's got this camo pattern on the boot. I am really impressed. You can see some more damage there, light damage on the threading, on the 360 Goodyear welt. I'm not really concerned about that because I'm gonna start wearing these tomorrow. I'm loving it. I'm totally digging this. Let's see if the colors match. Yeah, man, they look pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Oh, the eyelets are together. I don't know. I don't know if I can do that because it's either this. I don't know. It doesn't look. Wow, they must be really picky at Allen Edmonds, because for them to sell this a factory second, this is better than my first experience. There's a scuff there, but that's gonna happen with wear. Pretty awesome. I haven't tried them on, so I'm waiting to do that. Hopefully they fit. They're marketed as a bit of a looser, comfortable fit. So we'll see, right? So this is Chrome XL leather, even though it has this pattern, right? And Chrome XL leather from Horween is known to be very durable. The leather itself, right? The leather itself. The finish, and I'm sure it's not going to happen here. It's going to happen here because it is Chrome XL. Does patina nicely, but the finish itself is, and that's the properties of Chrome XL, it is more vulnerable to scratches, which kind of looks good, I think. I mean, I'm not gonna. My plans is not to wear this for business attire. This is gonna be with my jeans, right? I mean, or casual pants. But right now, it's perfection. I can't get over. Now, you guys tell me if you like this. I don't know. And my jeans are gonna cover this, so I'm not really concerned about that. They did have the Higgins, and the sale's still going on. If I upload this today, the sale's still going on. So you could actually get the factory second Higgins mill boot, which looks, I think it's this shade, maybe a little bit lighter, but it's all this one color. And I believe that was $275 minus 20%. You figure out the math. So if you're in the market for it, you should go check it out, because I'm blown away how awesome this is. I'm blown away. All right. So it is prone to scratching. Already it's got, it's gonna patina nicely. I'm sure not here because it's got this pattern on it. This loose grain, actually this is, I wouldn't even say this is loose grain. That looks pretty awesome. Here's a little, I think that's part of the pattern. This ain't bad. If you watch, I was watching some videos. Look up some videos on Higgins mill boot, and you'll see that. Okay, here. That still doesn't look too bad to me. Actually, that still looks pretty good. I really can't find anything. I'm pretty blown away. Right. So. Now, they said that the, this is different. Oh, it is. Okay, so they said this is a suede tongue. It's not suede on the outside, of course, to match the rest of the shoe. It is suede. No, this ain't suede. This is like glove leather. Okay, this was supposed to be suede. Now, I don't know if they had to change that, but this was supposed to be suede. It does have a glove leather lining, so it is... looks like it will be very comfortable on the inside. So in the description, this was supposed to be suede, and you can see right there what I'm talking about, how the Chrome XL scratches quite easily. If you guys can see that. So that's going to be all over this, and that's just going to have add character to it. Right. So this boot is a 360 Goodyear welt, like I discussed in my last vid. So the leather welt is on top, as you can see, and the stitching goes all the way 360 all the way around the boot, attaching the cork bed, the leather, and the outsole. Right? So this stitching goes all the way through, right, into the sole of the boot, attaching it, making it more water resistant, maybe even waterproof. I'm not an expert on that. And again, it's because of that, it's easy to recraft. So if you recraft this, which I'm not going to use, I'm not going to be able to recraft this for a while because I'm going to use this. It's $125, and you get new outsoles, you get new heels. This is all from Edmonds. You get a new cork inlay. So in between this rubber and the insole footbed is a cork inlay that when you put your foot in it, it's going to take the shape of your foot, making it more custom, right, to whatever your foot sits in it, wherever it sits in it. All right, it's got the stacked leather heel, as you can see. And again, the custom cork midsole will mold to your foot. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, I see a little discoloration. So if it's not perfect, Allen Edmonds, I don't know. I don't know why this was so cheap and why it's almost so perfect. Maybe the style is not what people liked. I don't know. Maybe it's too urban. I'm kind of digging it, folks. Kind of digging it. I kind of like the brown Chrome XL. I like the speed laces on it. I like the waxed shoelaces. You can see right there it says Famous Horween Leathers. Nice. Yeah, I'm not really concerned about that because I can have that recrafted when the time comes. Loose thread, I don't even care about that. This is the most of the complaints that they've had on this style boot done by, I think, Stridewise. Go check out Stridewise. He does a nice review on boots. Not like me just oohing and on. And again, folks, in my defense, I am not prepared. I just kind of opened it in front of you guys. You can see there might be some, can you see that? Looks like there's some kind of glue on the inside. It does feel, this feels nice, very supple. Almost makes you want to wear it like barefoot. Barefoot. Oh yeah, very nice. It feels good inside. Can't wait to pop these bad boys on. Anyway, it wasn't a disaster except for me not being able to be, you know, stumbling through words, but it wasn't a total disaster. Very happy. So these are factory second shoes that I got for $175 before taxes and shipping. It almost makes me want to get the regular Chrome XL Higgins mill boot, but I don't want to get crazy. I'm collecting boots like I'm collecting knives, but I actually use these boots. So these came to a total $175. The sale's going on right now. I wish Allen Edmonds sent me this. They didn't. I purchased this. Yeah. So you can see there's some. Because of that, it didn't sell for $395. Instead, I got it for $175. All right, folks. My battery's dying. I'm gonna load this. Hope you enjoy it. Leave your comments. Peace.